Hey guys, what's going on? It is Crypto Collision. I wanted to make a video real quick about Hextra being live again. They've been down for basically the whole year, I think. Maybe it was, I don't remember if it was the second or what day it was when they went down, but anyways, I think everybody was a little nervous. I didn't want to even go there. In my mind, I didn't want to think about them not coming back because they're my biggest loan. So, well, that's not really true actually, but second biggest loan. But anyways, I am super happy to see them back. They have stopped any withdrawals until the 11th, which is fine. That's whatever it is. So anyways, they have this new sign-in page, which looks good. So I guess they were having issues, and while they were down, they went ahead and made some improvements. So that's cool. It looks pretty good here. Come in and see I like to be able to see the price without logging in, so that's pretty awesome. I mean, you could before on hextracoin.com, but now you can on hextracoin.co as well. And while they were down, they were actually they were up at around between $52 and $58. You could see their live pricing on hextracoin.com. So unfortunately, yeah, now they're back down to where they were before all of this happened. They're back down to the $10 or $12 mark. Sitting at 12.12 right now, which I had 88 tokens. I had 100 and I don't remember how many I had, but before they went down, if everybody remembers, probably you couldn't sell any tokens. It kept saying that the volume was too high. So I did manage to. It was about $1,000 when I went to bed, and I woke up and it was worth 2,600 or something like that, 26 or 2,700. So I couldn't sell any. But what I was able to do was make a loan. So I locked in $1,000 because it was only worth $1,000, and then it went up to 26. So I locked in $1,000 worth of loan. So if nothing else, I would at least lock that in. So I'm glad I did that because I made a loan for $1,000 at, I don't remember what it was, up above 20. And anyways, yeah, so this is exciting that they're back. A little bummed out that, wow, look at this. This is going to be a big day. That's awesome. Anyways, yeah, super excited that they're back, but at the same time I am bummed that they didn't. I was really hoping to come back to a big stack of money. From them being down so long, I was hoping that we would be accumulating money so that when they came back live, we would have a big chunk of cash to ease the pain of them going away for so long. But that didn't happen, so they came back, and my USD is right where it was. My Hextra is right where it was. The Hextra Gold loans is pretty disappointing. It's been a week, and we accumulated $0 on that loan. So the whole because this has a 0.5% guarantee on the Hextra Gold loan for 30 days. So we missed out on a week of that. So that's a big bummer. Hopefully they will come back strong and the coin will go up in price, and then none of this will really matter in a week. And if they have the disposable income, we might even get lucky and have them restart this timer right here. I would expect them to do that. If we just miss out on a week of this month of Hextra Gold, that's pretty cheap. But it's all a gift anyway. So yeah, worst case scenario, we don't get get this started over, and we only have, you know, the next 3 days of making this income, which would be fine. You know, it's still a half a percent daily guarantee, so that's huge. And other than that, yeah, as long as everything starts rolling smoothly, I'll be super excited. Their exchange a minute ago wasn't loading. It was going to a bad gateway. I'm not really sure. Okay, here we go. So the exchange is back up. So yeah, that's pretty. Everything seems fine. 24-hour volume of 20 million. So I think that's just basically a snapshot of where we left off, because they haven't been open. So them having $20 million in volume in the last 24 hours is really unlikely, unless I completely missed it. But I don't think so, because like I said, it was at $50. I guess if everybody jumped on and sold at 50, then you know, there could certainly be that big amount of volume. It could be legit, but I don't really think so. Anyways, they do have this new event tab, which is interesting. Let's see. Let's let this load. Yeah, they were busy while they were down, so that's really cool. I'm excited that they were actually doing stuff. You can see their coin has gone down from 12 something to 10 something. I really hope they come back strong. Yeah, you can see my my money is dwindling. Yeah, the fact that it was up at 58 while they were down, I'm not really sure how that was calculated, or whether it was just manipulated or whatever from them being down. But it would appear that they did not open at that price, so that's a bummer. I was really hoping to get in a big, you know, this was worth 5,000 or something at that point. So I sure would have liked to sell that off or make a loan. Either way, I don't care. As long as we're going to go strong and stay going, then, you know, I'm not looking to get out of it or anything. I love Hextra. They're you know, top 3. So I think that's about all I got. Everything else here is the same as it was, and I just wanted to make make a video and make sure everybody knew that it was up and running, so you could go in and pay attention. If this hopefully does spike, then we can continue on our journey of making more money. But if nothing else, at least we should start accumulating money again starting today. And it's a huge day. Well, this is in it says 0 up until I think tomorrow is the position that this 2.22 is in. It says today, but normally this is what we get paid today. And then the one that says today is actually tomorrow. So, so we will see. It looks like, yeah, today we'll get nothing, just like the days previous, and then tomorrow we'll start out with a big ass day, which is great. Their coin is definitely coming down in value at this moment, but with any luck, it will start to head the other direction. So, alright guys, I think that's about all I got. If you'll like and subscribe, I would be very appreciative, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.